Because the eyes are the doorway to the soul, we should take the best possible care of them. To function properly, these complex organs require a range of vitamins and nutrients. A healthy diet and lifestyle can also help. However, if your body is vitamin deficient, your vision may degrade or you may acquire various eye disorders as a result of a lack of vitamins and minerals. Let's look at the 9 most important vitamins for eye health. These vitamins can aid in the prevention of common eye issues such as diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts, among others. Understanding the importance of vitamins. Your vision is most likely the most important of your 5 senses, and your eye health can influence your overall health. Vitamins and minerals protect your eyes from damaging light and help to avoid age-related degenerative disorders. Certain vitamins may help those suffering from age-related macular degeneration, AMD. A study discovered that eating high doses of vitamins delays the course of this illness. The study does highlight, however, that taking vitamins can only halt the progression of the condition. Unfortunately, no vitamins will help. Assume you are concerned about your eye health and want to learn more about vitamin supplements to prevent the start of eye disease. In that scenario, you should visit your doctor before introducing additional supplements into your routine or modifying your dosages. Vitamin A is essential for preserving eye health. Vitamin A maintains the clarity of the cornea, the outermost layer of the eye. It is found in the eye protein rhodopsin and allows you to see in low-light circumstances. Although vitamin A deficiency is uncommon, persons who suffer from it frequently acquire night blindness, which is the first indication of xerophthalm, a degenerative eye disease. Tear ducts and eyes may become dry if vitamin A deficiency persists. Your cornea progressively softens, causing permanent blindness. Vitamin A may help to prevent a variety of other eye issues. Some studies suggest that vitamin A-rich diets may reduce the development of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. For overall eye health, we recommend vitamin A-rich meals over pills. Sweet potatoes, leafy green vegetables, pumpkins, and bell peppers are all high in vitamin A. Please, more vitamin C. Your eyes require more antioxidants than most other organs. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that is found in greater concentration in the aqueous humor of the eye than in any other body fluid. The liquid that fills the cornea of the eye is known as aqueous humor. According to observational research, cataract sufferers often have a low antioxidant status. Individuals who take vitamin C supplements are less likely to acquire cataracts. Vitamin C is abundant in a variety of fruits and vegetables, including bell peppers, citrus fruits, guavas, kale, and broccoli. The most advanced eye formula available. Bausch & Lomb is the most reputable name in eye care. The Ocuvite Eye Vitamin and Mineral Supplement, which contains zeaxanthin, omega-3, zinc, copper, vitamin C, and vitamin E, is its most sophisticated product. It aids in preserving eye health and supplementing important eye nutrients that may be lost as you age. Ocuvite Eye Vitamin and Mineral Supplement nourishes your eyes throughout your adult life. The specialized formulas for individuals over 50 provide the benefits of a daily multivitamin as well as the necessary eye vitamins. The link to purchase this fantastic product may be found in the video's description. Vitamin E is required for good eye health. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that prevents fatty acid oxidation. Vitamin E is essential due to the high concentration of fatty acids in the retina. Although severe vitamin E deficiency can cause retinal degeneration and blindness, it is unknown whether additional vitamin E is required through supplements. According to one study, taking more than 7 milligrams of vitamin E daily may reduce the risk of age-related cataracts by 6%. The best dietary sources of vitamin E are sunflower seeds, almonds, and vegetable oils like flaxseed oil. B3 is up next on our list. Niacin, often known as vitamin B3, is primarily responsible for the conversion of food into energy. It also serves as an antioxidant. Niacin may assist to prevent glaucoma, a disorder in which the eye's optic nerve is destroyed. When taken in large amounts, niacin can induce blurred vision, retinal degeneration, and corneal irritation. However, there is no evidence that eating naturally niacin-rich foods is harmful. Niacin-rich foods include beef, poultry, fish, mushrooms, peanuts, and legumes. Lutein and zeaxanthin are important nutrients to have in your diet. Lutein and zeaxanthin are members of the carotenoid family, a group of important plant-derived compounds. Both of these carotenoid pigments reside in the eye's macula and retina, where they filter potentially harmful blue light and safeguard the eyes. Several studies have found that these plant compounds can help prevent cataracts and slow or stop the progression of age-related macular degeneration. A randomized controlled experiment found that lutein may have benefits for cataract patients. Over a 2-year period, those who took lutein supplements containing 15 milligrams 3 times per week had better vision. The most carotenoids are found in cooked spinach, kale, and collard greens. Riboflavin is the next vitamin on the list. Riboflavin, generally known as vitamin B2, is being studied in relation to eye health. Riboflavin has been shown to reduce oxidative stress in the body, notably in the eyes. Scientists are looking at the ability of riboflavin to prevent cataracts, as riboflavin shortage can lead to the development of this condition. Surprisingly, many cataract patients are also deficient in this antioxidant. In one study, people who consumed more riboflavin per day had a decreased risk of acquiring cataracts than those who consumed less. The recommended daily intake of riboflavin for women is between 1.1 milligrams and 1.3 milligrams. Riboflavin-rich meals include oatmeal, milk, yogurt, meat, and fortified cereals. Don't forget about vitamins B6, B9, and B12. These vitamins, when combined, are ideal for eye health. Furthermore, this vitamin combination can lower homocysteine levels, which cause inflammation and increase your chances of developing AMD. These vitamins are still being researched, and new studies are being published. According to a study on women, a combination of vitamins B6, B9, and B12 may reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Furthermore, a 2017 study found that vitamin B12 is useful for dry eyes. B12 tablets and artificial tears were useful in curing dry eyes. Vitamins A and D can also help prevent dry eyes. Cells are formed by omega-3 fatty acids. Polyunsaturated fats include omega-3 fatty acids. DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, a form of omega-3 fatty acid, is abundant in the molecular membranes of your retina. Aside from aiding in the formation of eye cells, omega-3 fat contains anti-inflammatory qualities that may benefit in the prevention of diabetic retinopathy. Omega-3 fatty acids can help those with dry eyes by increasing the generation of better tears. A lack of tears produces dryness, discomfort, and blurred vision in this situation. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in fish, flaxseed, chia seeds, soy, and almonds. Omega-3 fatty acids are also found in cooking oils such as canola and olive oil. Thiamine is the last but not least. Thiamine, which is recommended as a viable therapy for the early stages of diabetic retinopathy, is also good for minimizing the risk of cataracts. A study of 2,900 Australians found that a thiamine-rich diet reduced the risk of developing cataracts by 40%. Furthermore, this study reveals that protein, vitamin A, niacin, and riboflavin may help prevent cataracts. Thiamine is abundant in whole grains, pork, and seafood. A well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein, and healthy fats will give you with all of the vitamins your eyes require. If you are low in any of these vitamins, vitamin pills can assist. The eye is one of our body's most important organs. Please let us know in the comments.